That's correct. So now hot work, I am putting the restriction only because hot work is what? Hot work may have fire and explosion, R9. We'll put R9. This is R8. R8. Put R8.
You have to define it accordingly. You have to define it.
Yeah. This is R1 by default. Okay. Lifting operation we have agreed. Lifting operation we have the which restriction?
Okay. Lifting operation just within the radius, no work will be prohibited. It will be none of the activity will be prohibited. Okay.
R5. There's a restriction.
Okay. R5. Okay.
R5. 5. Make it R5. Because of course there is chance of what to say drop object, and so that is why we put R5 here. That's correct. Vehicle. Vijay, what about the vehicle movement? Do you allow your vehicle to go inside the drilling zone? Vijay?
Sorry, I'm speaking. When the vehicle movement here, what we talk is within the well pad area, the crane and forklift movement of the drilling that belongs to drilling. While it is moving, the other activities to be restricted.
So you want to make it R2?
It should be related to R2.
Yeah, okay.